the.pylot currently works with the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance. Therefore, you will need a Binance account, which is fast and easy to set up. Just go to the Binance website on your mobile phone or desktop computer through the link below this video. Click on Register on the top right, enter your email address and preferred password, agree to the terms and maybe read them, and click Register afterwards. You will receive an email to confirm your email address, which looks like this. Please do so. You can now log into your Binance account. As well, after confirming the safety information, we will need to set up so-called two-factor authentication or 2FA to secure your account. You can either do this via SMS to your phone or through an app called Google Authenticator. In this case, we are choosing Google Authentication. Binance will give you the direct links to download the app via the App Store or Google Play. Please do so, make yourself familiar with the app and find the section to add new accounts. In the next step, please scan the QR code from within the app or enter the shown code manually. As well, write down this recovery code as it's only shown once. In the final step, enter your Binance login password and the Google Authentication code as shown in your app and click the Enable Google Authentication button. Your account is now secure.